The question is, a small block of mass m is released from rest from point A inside a smooth hemispherical bowl of radius r, which is fixed on the ground such that OA is horizontal. The ratio of magnitude of centripetal force and normal reaction of the block at any point B varies with theta as. So, from the equation of motion of block, what we all know is centripetal force mv square by r is equals to the sum here of the force n minus mg sine theta. Normal reaction mg sine theta. So the resultant will be equal to the centripetal force. This is our equation 1. Or we can write this equation as n equals to mv square by r plus mg sine theta. Don't take this equation as 1. Take this equation as 1. And now by energy conservation, we know the potential energy mg r sine theta, the potential energy that's lost from here to here, will be equals to the kinetic energy, that's half mv square. So from here we can find mv square by r is equals to 2 mg sine theta. This is equation 2. Now using this we can get what is n. We will replace mv square by r from 2 mg sine theta, and n will be equal to 3 mg sine theta. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out x. What is x? Is the ratio of centripetal force. What is centripetal force? mv square by r and the normal reaction into n, which comes out to be 2 mg sine theta by 3 mg sine theta, which is equals to 2 by 3. So what's the conclusion? That it's independent of theta. Answer is 2 by 3, but the graph will be independent of theta. X will be independent and the answer will be A.